All right, so I did manage to wrap some gifts. I did two surprise balls in here, and it came out really bad.
Thank you, Mom. Exclusive mini. Store and display your mini kids collection. Or joking out of small bars now. Oh, this is a mini. It's an exclusive. Jolly Rancher.
Nice. You got a piece?
It's the only one.
Okay.
Jolly Rancher out. Oh, God.
What did you get? Pickles?
Pickle. The chocolate milk.
It's milk, yes.
Oh, it's chocolate almond. Oh, come on, I already have one of these. But
Oh, cream cheese?
yeah, but not a double. This is the guidelines.
I think it's like hot sauce or
Oh,
like the sea. This is an unboxing of your gifts.
Yep. What is this? Oh, it's the basket. Blue almond.
Mashed potatoes. Shredded hash browns.
Lunchables, the pizza guy. Pure vanilla extract.
Oh, for baking.
Got the almond, the Lunchables, something you bake with. I also have this, but in like a container. And then I have blue diamond almonds. What is this? I don't remember opening this. Got this. And the pickles.
More gifts.
Yay. Let's get opening. Okay,
Where is he? What did you get? Oh my god, that's a seasoning. Lori seasoning.
I got Shake and Bake Original Park.
I don't know what that is.
I got a shelf. My first shelf.
Shelf? What do you mean shelf?
A shelf. Well, I got another one. Blue diamond almond, but I got lightly salted. The fun never ends. Ew. I got a green sweet relish.
Ooh. Oh, that, I think it's like barbecue sauce, right?
Barbecue sauce.
I think so. I don't know.
And bull eyes. Who would want to eat bull eyes?
Bull's eyes?
Yeah.
Maybe that's the name of it, but
Oh,
it's
yeah,
not.
bull's eyes. Again, I got a double. My first ever double. I got a double, my first ever. I'm happy actually.
Doubles are rare, right?
And yeah, actually they're kind of common. Right.
Ooh, French fries.
Jello, the red kind.
Ooh, did you get a different one?
Yeah, last time I got like a yellow. Bagel bite pizza snacks. It's fox ears. Doesn't look like fox. Thanks, Mom. What is the necklace? Oh, it's a mini necklace. The question is, how do I get it off?
I'll help you.
Alrighty, so last two gifts of the night.
It's unboxed 5 minis inside, including 2 exclusive minis. I'm gonna open this right now. What is this? It's a 10 I got you high. That little egg thing. What's that thing?
It's called the Tanagachi.
Can I get one?
10, I got you.
Some fun thing. That. It's a toy where you push the buttons and Play-Doh.
Alright, last one is this little wiener dog.
You can open them and see what the actual toy inside is.